Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you 5 hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, the latest foldable phone from Samsung. This phone has lot of amazing features, but some of them are not very obvious or well known. So let's get started now. So before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon in discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The first hidden feature in the flex window on the cover screen, this is a large display that allow you to access useful information and interact with apps and widgets without unfolding the phone. The cover screen measures 3.4 inches diagonally with a Super AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. You can use it to reply to messages, make calls, check the weather, and even access your wallet. So this is a really handy feature. The second hidden feature is the under display camera on the main screen. This camera is hidden under the display, so you don't see any notch or hole punch on the screen. You can use this camera to take selfies or video calls when phone is unfolded. The camera has a 10 megapixel resolution and uses AI to enhance the image quality. The third hidden feature is ultra wideband support on the phone. This is the technology that enables precise and secure wireless communication between devices. You can use UWB to share files, unlock doors, or locate other UWB enabled devices. For example, you can use this technology to send files to another Galaxy Z Flip 5 user by simply pointing your phone to them. Again, this is very handy feature for fast data transfer. The fourth hidden feature is the 120Hz refresh rate on the main screen. This feature makes the screen smoother and more responsive when you scroll, swipe, or play games. The main screen is a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2640 pixel. It also supports HDR10 Plus for enhanced color and contrast. And the fifth hidden feature is the S Pen support on the main screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is compatible with S Pen Fold Edition or S Pen Pro, which you can buy separately. So this is the pen that you can use to write, draw, control your phone with precision like Galaxy Fold 5. You can use it to take notes, sketch ideas, or edit photos. The S Pen works only on the main screen, so make sure you use on the main screen. So these are the 5 hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 that you might not know about. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.